How to block all ads on your phone. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. First of all, tap on the source icon on their home screen. Now tap on settings at the top right corner. Now tap on home page management. Now disable all the toggles. Now disable the toggle for personalized recommendations. Now go back to your home screen and open up settings on your device. Now tap on security and privacy. Now scroll down. Now tap on privacy controls. Now tap on ads. Now tap on reset advertising ID. Click on confirm. Also tap on delete advertising ID. Now tap on delete. Now go back. Now scroll down and click on apps. Tap on app management. Now search for theme store. Open up and tap on data usage. Now disable background data and disable this application. Now enter your password. Also uninstall all the unnecessary apps on your device. So by following this simple step, you will be able to remove ads from your device. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.